Hi, welcome to the second part of the Spur housing in SolidEdge 2024. I will need another plane, maybe hide the solids, okay, and I will need another plane with a distance to the top plane, and the distance should be parallel, it should be 85. And okay. Now a sketch on that plane. And this should be a centered rectangle, yes. And the dimensions are 300 by 110. Close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. Let's make a new body. So let's go for add body. Confirm, and I need an extrude with that sketch here. Confirm, it should be symmetric, yes, and no symmetric, and it should be 12 millimeter in all. And finish, cancel this out. Now a similar sketch on the top plane. So let's go for the sketch, and it should be another centered rectangle right here, and the dimensions are 270 by 145. Confirm. Okay, finish, cancel this out. And now I need another body. Add body. Go for an extrude with that sketch here, this one here. Yes. And it should go from to, so it should go from the top plane, this one, to that one. Finish, cancel this out. Okay, let's rename this plane. And this should be the 85 plane, and move it up here. Yes. And I will need another sketch, and then on the -12 plane. So let's go for the -12 plane. There you go. Make a sketch there, and this should be another centered rectangle. And this would be 200 by 145. And finish that sketch. Okay, I want to make an extrude, but I want to cut. So go for an extrude. That's the sketch, and I want to make sure that's the active body, of course. Yeah, that's the active body, just to make sure. Okay, go for an extrude, select that sketch here, confirm, go for a non-symmetric extend, It's a one-sided extent, yes. It should go up in that direction. It should be 7 millimeter. And I want to cut the active body. Finish, cancel this out. Great. Now let's add a draft on those both sides. So go for a draft. The draft plane would be in this case this face here. Maybe hide those planes at least for the moment. Otherwise it's really hard to see. Okay, now and hide those sketches. Yeah, now it's better. Draft, the draft plane would be this face here. Yeah, and I want to draft this face and that face. 45 degrees, yes. Confirm. Go to the next step and it should be, that's really hard to see. I think it's that direction. Yes, that's okay. Finish, cancel this out. Great. Now let's add the rounds. Let's go for 5 millimeter on this edge, that edge, this one and that one, and confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. Okay, now I want to do the ribs, therefore we'll need a sketch on the right plane, this one here. And I want to have a line somewhere over here. And this should be aligned with the origin, the midpoint, yes. Now let's add a dimension here. This could be 20, no, really, like that. And I need a distance from that plane to this line, and that should be 1 millimeter. And close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's go for the rib tool, which should be somewhere over here. There you go, the rib. The sketch would be this one here. Confirm. Extend profile, yes. And it should go in that direction, yes. And you can go in that direction. And direction step. And it's hard to see. Yeah, okay. So now it would go in both directions or just in one? Can I have both directions? I want a 4 millimeter. And as it goes in this direction, of course. But it needs to be centered. Yes, right now it's centered, that's okay. Yeah, and go for finish, cancel this out. Yeah, this looks okay. Next I want to do a pattern, maybe on the -12 plane, so on this plane maybe, and I want to pattern that feature. And I could draw it on that plane here, on this one. Okay, I need a rectangle. I need 7 instances. And it should not fit, it should be fixed, and the distance between these should be 20 millimeter. Like that, and this should be only 1, so that doesn't really matter. And let's draw it, maybe like that. Go for a reference point. The reference point would be the one in the middle, and that should do. Confirm. This looks pretty good. Finish. Let's take a look. Yeah, this looks really good. And I'm done. Let's bring back those bodies here. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, X, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.